So this is how you turn on the heart rate tracker. Toggle the mode until you see the heart. Press and hold, and there will be a vibration and your heart rate tracker will activate. We're going to go for a run. We're going to show you how to redeem the vouchers for your Healthy 365 program. Let's tap on the apps. So this is our current status, and it is syncing to our tracker. So we have completed 13,000 steps today. Let's take a look at the MVPA minutes. So our MVPA health points currently stands at 710 points. We need 40 more points to hit our tier 1 target. We are going to go for a 30 minutes workout with our heart rate tracker on, and that will bring us to 750 points. After which, we will show you how to redeem the vouchers. So I've just finished my jogging, and now it's currently syncing our tracker. So we have attained 20,175 steps for today, and it's syncing our heart rate, so it has finished syncing our tracker, and we have attained a 42 out of 30 MVPA minutes. So let's take a look at the results. So this is our challenge detail. We are currently in tier 2, and notice that tier 2 starts from 300 points out of 750. So let's go back to dashboard. So let's take a look at our health points. So this is our available health points, and let's select redeem health points. So these are the list of items that we can redeem. So we're going to select the $5 HPB e-voucher. So for this $5 voucher, it would require 750 health points. So let's add 1 to the quantity. And for 750 health points, we can redeem it and use at the following merchants. So let's scroll through. So these are the list of merchants that we can use our $5 HPB voucher. So I'm going to tap on redeem. So this has been added into my wallet. We can go and view the reward. So if you tap on it, and it will load the voucher. So there's a caution here, do not click on this until you show this to the cashier. So once you use the voucher, there will be a timer, and you need to have the voucher scanned within the time limit itself. And after it has been scanned, this is what you'll see on your phone.